I'm going to show you how to add a memory for MacBook Pro. So basically in this MacBook, you need to take those screws out. Okay, so you have those screws. So 3 of them are longer one. Those 3 from 1, 2, 3 is longer. Probably it's hooked with the keyboard. So you need a tool like this tool, because this one is very tiny, this one. So you need a small screwdriver. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, here's internal fans, motherboard, memory, key, hard drive, key. Okay, so battery. So we're going to take this one out and put another one. This is 8 gig. This is 2 gig. Okay, so we're going to slide in like this, then push down. Okay, that's it.